If you want to make sure an email always reaches your inbox in Gmail, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to whitelist an email address in Gmail so messages from that sender do not get sent to spam. This is super useful for important contacts, newsletters you actually want, business emails, client updates, or any sender you never want to miss. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, sign in to the Gmail account where you want to whitelist the email address. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you manage multiple Gmail accounts. Now look to the top right corner of Gmail and click the settings icon. That's the gear-shaped icon. From the menu that appears, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can access filters and other advanced options. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is the section where Gmail lets you create custom rules for incoming messages, including rules that keep certain emails out of spam. Next, click Create a new filter. A small window will pop up with several fields you can use to define the sender or message you want to filter. Since we want to whitelist an email address, go to the From field and type in the email address you want to allow through. Make sure you enter it carefully and spell it exactly right, because even a small typo could stop the filter from working properly. After you enter the email address, click Create Filter. Gmail will take you to the next step where you choose what should happen when that sender emails you. This is the important part because it tells Gmail not to treat those messages like spam. Now check the box that says never send it to spam. This is the main whitelist action and it ensures that future emails from that sender go straight to your inbox instead of being filtered away. If you want Gmail to give those messages a little extra priority, you can also check always mark it as important. This is optional, but it can help make sure important emails stand out more clearly in your inbox. Once you've selected the options you want, click Create Filter again to save everything. And that's it. Gmail will now apply this rule automatically to future emails from that address. From this point forward, emails from that sender should be much less likely to land in spam, and you'll have a much better chance of seeing them right away. If you ever need to whitelist more email addresses, you can repeat the same process for each one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tutorials, tech tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.